People often ask us to create something amazing. This time, we received a really interesting request. It was to be a large-scale version of the gravity-defying structure, Tensegrity, originally made by engineer Yongdal. Tensegrity is a clever structure that makes objects look like they are floating. Make it large? Sounds fun! So Geekball decided to make it. Jackie?
Yes!
This is Yongdal's, right? When?
Made it secretly when bored.
Wow, you just whip things up. Many comments asked for a bigger version.
I saw those comments and thought, why not make it bigger? I thought so.
You want to make this big too? Aren't you satisfied with the vernier calipers? How big?
Remember the balancing chair, that size?
Oh, people can stand on it?
Yes.
Wow, we should have Yondal try it too.
Wow, of course.
Right?
You wow.
And with what?
We need to support some weight.
Yes.
Wouldn't it be good to use steel pipes?
Well... Wow, it's become an intense red.
Could it be used as an art piece?
What's the height?
It's 780. About this much.
It sure is quite tall. So if someone stands on top, it'll look like they're floating in the air. Originally with strings, what now?
Chains.
Outer strings.
For the outer, thinner. Then the middle chain. Let's go.
Right away.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
You're unstoppable.
Hold on.
Wow.
Let's go.
One to buy?
Steel pipes. Oh, sorry.
Jackie, please focus on filming.
Doesn't worry. Oh yes, it's really long. Buy 6 of these.
Why so many? For a chair.
Something else.
Everyone. Geekball's big project.
We're going to weld the frame using this.
A big one.
Bolts, nuts.
Wow.
It's surprisingly hard to get materials.
Ah, definitely. Learning a lot.
Never done this.
No! Where would I do this?
First time welding.
During the chair.
Doing the chair.
Yes.
How's welding?
It's fun, hard to be great. But decent is easy.
Oh, you can do it.
Decently.
Then these will all be reborn decently, right?
Probably.
We've arrived.
This is almost the Tensegrity design file. Cut and weld it according to specifications, and it's done.
Back to endless welding. Welded all day yesterday, right?
Yeah. This one's done. Need to make an L shape.
Okay.
Yes! I was embarrassed to show my welding.
Confident now.
This needs to be shown.
Wow. Well,
First time.
top and bottom are done.
Yes! It'll hold, right? If like this, it might tear from the end, but we hope it stays within limits. Done. Drilling holes to connect wires. Spray.
Wow, assistant?
A min bake.
Oh, what's this?
Assistant 2.
Wow. Just lifted.
Yes.
Wow. So that adjusts the length.
Maintains tension.
3 wires need tension.
Other side.
I'll step out. I'll leave.
What's this?
Oh, this is my favorite monster.
Not Dad. Great job. Wow, it's finished. Looks like an old grill.
Exact.
Oh. TNI?
Don't climb.
Why?
Because of the wires.
Didn't work.
Why not?
Can't support a person.
It looks so sturdy.
This part is exposed. It'd be great as a table.
With glass?
Yes, with glass.
Switch to wires.
Looks slimmer now.
Right.
Yes. Beautiful. Like red.
My phone's red.
It's so beautiful. Great job. It's complete.
Wow, it's beautiful like an art piece. Perfect for a lobby.
How interior companies. Showcase it.
Sounds good. Wow.
Place it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow. Looks comfy.
Use it. Toad here.
Let's do it.
What?
Try coding.
A new MacBook.
My MacBook.
Hello.
Isn't okay.
Please stay.
Haha.
Please stay still. Oh, it's surprisingly comfortable, really? Head door what?
Not unusable, right?
You can move it freely.
Come on.
It's surprisingly comfortable, really?
Try a showcase.
Yes, good.
It's so comfy. I'll stay here.
We've set up a cool table. Anyone interested?
It's surprisingly comfy. I didn't know moving would feel this good. It even absorbs shock when typing. Feels like springs.
MacBook price.
Is it standing with just this? Amazing.
The coating's intact.
It's much prettier.
It's so pretty peeled. Handmade.
Right.
3 million won.
A bit much while eating.
Huh. Try it.
I'll try it.
Yondo's coming.
5 minutes?
Just really.
Yes.
For real.
Yeah, he's really coming. Let's grill.
Okay.
Let's have a meat feast. Wow. Oh, is he here already?
Called me for this? Important ones?
You caught me?
Cover this.
Feel anything strange, Yondo?
You changed it. What is this?
Isn't amazing?
Wow. How did you make it so big? I never imagined you'd make a table.
Let's grill first.
Oh, suddenly being asked to eat meat? But this is really well made. The balance is... Usually, things aren't balanced, but... holding up well. Here for meat.
Meat, come on.
Then I'll grill for you.
Okay, what cut is it?
It's sirloin, sirloin.
Meat.
Holy honey.
Tensegrity.
Yes, yes.
Why eat meat?
Looks delicious. What a treat. Start eating.
Looks tasty.
Wow.
One more.
Here it is.
Wow. So salty.
Did I put too much salt?
No.
Really tasty.
You have to see that shine.
Tastes better during work.
Exactly 1 hour left. Haha.
Doing pork?
I was curious and wanted to ask.
Surprised. Can it be a table? Could it be made? Great job.
Deeper will.
Exactly.
They ended up preparing the meat.
Reminds me of meat memories.
Mr. Meat or me? Ha ha ha.
Only bought this much. Sorry.
Had to will.
Seems like it.
How long?
2 days.
Couldn't do it in 2 weeks. What is this huge difference about?
Loser cleans up.
I've never lost.
Rock, paper, scissors.
See this.
Clean up here.
Doing together.
Why are you doing that?
One person should.
I'll win anyway.
Anyway, divine hand.
Let's play rock, paper, scissors now.
Divine hand.
Go for it.
Got it.
Yamdo, I'll head out. Thanks. Oh, where'd you?
Oh, I failed.
Blocked it.